The questions from 9.1. The first question says, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole on to the ground. You have to find the length of the find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees, and your figure for the corresponding question has been given to you already, so that makes your work easy. But most of the times the figures will not be given, children, in these word problems. You'll have to make the figure on your own, and that's the most challenging job here. Not difficult either. Once you get the figure right, then if you know your trigonometric ratios, then you can easily apply all those trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what are we observing in this question is, see, they have made the figure for you. They were saying that there was a circus artist which was climbing a 20-meter long rope. तो ये rope होगा, इस पे वो चढ़ रहा है. Okay, they have shown you here, which is tightly stretched. Okay, and it is tied from the top of a vertical pole. This is the vertical pole. AB they have made is the vertical pole here, and it has been tied to point C on the ground. Okay, then you have to find the height of this pole. Means you have to find this length AB. And if the angle made by the rope with the ground, तो ground ये होगा horizontal, ground level, this angle is 30. तो ऐसे figure बनाना होता है, फिर इसमें trigonometry लगानी होती है. Okay, अब trigonometry लगाने के लिए, see, this angle is known to you, then you know hypotenuse, and you've got to find the opposite of this angle or the perpendicular. Okay, so which ratio connects perpendicular and hypotenuse? क्योंकि जो known है उससे आपको जो unknown है वो निकालना पड़ेगा. So we need a relation between them. So which is the ratio which connects opposite with hypotenuse? That is the sine of the angle. So in this case we will consider, so we would say we need to find the height of the pole, which is AB's length. So we are observing a right angle triangle ABC, in which we would say sine of this angle 30 would be AB upon AC. AB is the opposite side or perpendicular upon AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, so formula लिख दिया, यहाँ पे इनकी lengths लिख दी. Now you have got to remember the values. You have learned that table earlier also. Revise that. Sine 30's value is 1 by 2. So AB we had to find upon hypotenuse was given to us as 20. Put all the values and then you can find the unknown. So this 20 would be cross multiplied here. 20 upon 2 will give you value of AB. That is, we'll say the height of the pole is 10 meters. Okay, now for the next question, what has been said, there is a tree which breaks due to storm, and the broken part bends so as that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. Okay, the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where top touches the ground is given to us as 8 meters. We have to find the height of this tree. Okay, so suppose this is how your vertical tree will stand vertical. This is your tree. Suppose A C dash is your original tree which happened to broke at this point B. And then this broken part B C dash, ये ऊपर का टूटा हुआ part ये bend होके अब नीचे आ गया है. So through the base or foot of the tree we will draw a horizontal line that will represent the ground, and on this ground this top is touching the ground at point C. And this is C dash, because this is actually, this length is bending and coming here. Okay, that is why I've used those variables. So obviously this same length is coming here, so we can write that we had to find the height of this tree, which according to the figure is AC dash. So ये AC dash हमें निकालना था, height of the tree, from the figure, which can be broken as AB plus BC dash. And then further this BC dash will be same in length of BC, because यही portion टूट के यहाँ पहुँचा है. So we know BC will be same as BC dash. Right? So to find the height of the tree, we have to find these portions AB, and we can also find BC. These are sides of a right angle triangle. We'll be able to find them, and BC and BC dash equal थे, so this plus this will give you the height of the whole tree. Okay, so I've just explained what in my figure here, that A is supposed to be the foot of the tree, B is the point where it has broken, and C dash is the top which has now reached C, and it is here where it is touching the ground, such that the point, yes, they had said that this point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters from the foot of the tree. Okay, so this length AC becomes 8 meters. Okay, so all that figure well explained. Now we can apply trigonometry to this. We would say this is a right angle triangle ABC in which we can apply. अभी ये base पता है मुझे angle के लिए. Okay, so base and AB is the perpendicular. We need to find that. So base and perpendicular को tan ratio connect करता है. So tan 30 is perpendicular upon base. AB upon AC. So हमें AC पता था. Put the value 8. Tan 30's value we know 1 by root 3. So AB becomes 8 upon root 3. Alright. अभी डिनोमिनेटर में हम रूट साइन नहीं छोड़ते हैं तो वी विल रैशनलाइज दिस. 9th में पढ़ा है आपने रैशनलाइजिंग. सो वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड डिनोमिनेटर एज वेल एज न्यूमरेटर बाय रूट 3 ईच. सो ये बन गया 8 रूट 3 अपॉन रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 बिकम्स 3. ओके, I've cut that short, but I'm explaining you. 8 upon root 3 था, root 3 से multiply करके 8 root 3 upon 3 बन जाएगा. We'll keep that. Now एक length तो हमारी निकल गई. Now we need to find this length. So for finding this length, अब हमें ये भी पता है and hypotenuse निकालना है तो आप sin ratio ले सकते हो. Then we'll be taking perpendicular upon hypotenuse और cos ratio ले सकते हो तो आप लोगे base upon hypotenuse. Okay, so anyone because ये हम already evaluate कर चुके हैं. So I have more safely taken cos 30 because base was already given to me. So cos 30 we know is base upon hypotenuse. So AC upon BC. Cos 30's value is root 3 by 2. And AC is given to us as 8, so we can evaluate BC from here. Cross multiply ऊपर चला जाएगा ये. So BC will come out to be, this will be 8 into 2. And ये root 3 जहाँ denominator में आएगा, again rationalizing, multiplying by root 3, denominator becomes 3 and 8 to the 16 root 3. Now the height of the tree is, we've taken out this length plus and this length. इन दोनों lengths को हम add कर देंगे for the height of the tree. Hence the height of the tree is 8 root 3 upon 3 plus 16 root 3 upon 3, that is 24 root 3 upon 3 divisible by 3. So 8 root 3 meters is the height of this tree. Question number 3 is saying a contractor plans to install 2 slides for children to play in a park. For children below 5 years, prefers to make a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters and the inclination is at the angle of 30 to the ground. And for elder children, another slide which is steeper of height 3 meters and inclination now 60. Then you have to find the length of each of this slide. Okay, so these are my 2 slides that are being formed. One at a height of 1.5, the other one height of 3 meters. Inclination of the first slide, ये slide है हमारा, is 30 and of the second slide is 60. Okay, obviously again a right angle triangle is being formed. जब आप यहाँ पे ground लोगे, ground and horizontal height means always a right angle here. Okay, so for the first one we would say there is a triangle, right angle triangle ABC, in which again we are going to apply trigonometry. So this is opposite to the angle and hypotenuse is what we need to find. Length of the slide, AC slide होगा तो हमको ये निकालना है, तो हम कहेंगे साइन रेशियो होती है. साइन इज ऑपोजिट अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. ऑपोजिट हमें पता था, हाइपोटेन्यूज हमें निकालना था. ओके, सो साइन ऑफ 30 दैट इज 1/2. ये वैल्यूज याद रखनी है आपने. इज 1.5 अपॉन AC क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग 1.5 into 2, सो 3 meters आ गया आपका. Length of the first slide will be 3 meters. Likewise in the other triangle also if you apply trigonometry, this is another right angle triangle, same चलेगा. इसमें भी opposite पता है and hypotenuse निकालना है, तो sin 60 is PQ upon PR. PQ was given as 3. Sin 60's value is root 3 by 2. From the table we have learned that. So PR would be 3 2s are 6 upon root 3. फिर again rationalize करने के लिए हम root 3 से multiply कर रहे हैं, तो denominator आपका root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So that 3 will cancel out the 3 in numerator. So you are left with 2 root 3. So length of this slide will come out to be 2 root 3 meters. Alright. Now children, the fourth question, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30. Okay, so I've made a figure here roughly for you all. Okay, because that's a simple figure. This is tower. AC, you would say let AC be the tower and C be the foot of the tower and B is the point from where the elevation is given to us as 30 degrees. Elevation of the top of the tower. A is top of the tower, C is foot of the tower, B is the point of observation, jahan se the elevation of the top, this तो आप लाइन ऑफ साइट बनाओगे यहाँ पे. दिस इज गिवन टू यू एज 30 एंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस ऑब्जर्वेशन from the foot of the tower is 30 meters. This point is 30 meters. Okay, it is observed from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. Then you have to find the height of this tower. So height of this tower would be this length AC. Okay, तो आप इसमें फिर कहोगे दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल जिसमें मुझे बेस पता है एंड मुझे ऑपोजिट निकालना है या परपेंडिकुलर निकालना है. तो परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस इज tan रेशियो. सो tan 30 इज इक्वल टू AC अपॉन BC. Will help you find your answer. Okay, so I've left that. That's a simple figure, simple question. Do that on your own. Okay.